Welcome back to Stock Motion, the stock market educational YouTube channel. All uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes and is only my opinion. I am not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Please do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. Trading is risky and you can lose money. Guys, please hit them like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to bring you the latest hot stocks and content. Without further ado, let's get cracking. In today's video we're going to take a look at Alpine Technologies Ltd, ticker symbol ALPP. Alpine Technologies Ltd is a publicly traded enterprise with business-related endeavors in automotive technologies, electronics manufacturing, engineering and software development, and energy services. Alpine Technologies Ltd, a leading operator and owner of small market businesses, has received the second of two patents filed around its brake-active rear-end avoidance collision product. The first of the two patents were approved in October of 2020. Brake-active is an automotive technology component that enhances braking safety by pulsing the third brake light when a driver's foot presses the brake pedal. Brake-active was designed in the USA and resides in our A4 technology portfolio under Altia Corp. It is manufactured at Quality Circuit Assembly, Inc. in the heart of Silicon Valley, California. QCA is a subsidiary of Alpine Technologies Ltd and resides in our A4 manufacturing portfolio. The collaboration between the two exemplifies the vertical integrations that the company strives for. Ian Kantrowitz, VP of Investor Relations and a contributor to the brake-active patent, had this to say: "We place immense value on our patents and intellectual property. The combined strength of these two patents gives us a highly defensible position against competitors. The patent approvals pertain to a microprocessor's ability to control the pulsing of the center high mount stop lamp, CHMSL, on a vehicle. The market is filled with competitors that have inferior products and subsequently, looking to exploit our technology. The company will always defend and enforce the strength of its patents and intellectual property." Kent Wilson, CEO of Alpine, had this to say: "Automotive products reside in a $20 billion market, and as we progress towards smarter and safer cars, products like brake-active have the opportunity to make a difference in people's lives. Our patent approval finalization gives Alpine a strong competitive advantage, and we are very excited about where brake-active can go. I feel that some of the largest opportunities that lay ahead for this technology will reside in the licensing of the IP directly to manufacturers, who will deploy brake-active directly into their product lineups, potentially realizing tens of millions of brake-active units sold annually. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 368.23% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $17.38 and $29.83 at the end of this 3-month period. Please remember, do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. And please to like and subscribe for more content, and it would really help out the channel. Thank you. And take care.